Papasukin ako.
Papasukin ako.
Unang paraan. Ang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo. Buksan mo, papasukin na. May tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko sila.
Okay, so basic step
first.
common.
Lahat tayo first.
Lahat tayo first. Yung goal, mag-start ako sa left.
Hindi, lahat tayo first. Basta ko lang.
Hindi. Okay, pakita ko kayo. Okay, so first, yung basic lang, basic swing step is by stepping your right foot in front. And step your other foot to the back. Step, right foot. Okay, yun lang ang basic. Front and step back. Okay, so let's do it. Put together, then step forward, step back, step front, step back, step front, back, front, yan lang.
So, hindi kailangan parallel.
Hindi na kailangan mag-double step.
Hindi kailangan parallel lang. Hindi kailangan nakaganito. Hindi kailangan sa center.
So, balik ko kami
Front.
with the basic. Okay? Hindi kailangan mag-double. Kasi ibang variation.
Variation na, di ba?
So, basic swing is okay, swing
Kaso
your
kailangan
arms.
tapat-tapat kung right ang female.
Left ang...
Hindi pwedeng right-right kasi dati gano'n.
Kasi ang ballroom, yun ang ano, yun ang...
Okay, adjust pa lang lalaki.
Left lagi ang right.
Oh.
Okay.
Adjust na.
Front.
That explains.
Front. It's the basic step.
Lagi nag-adjust ang lalaki.
Pag sabing partner turn, exchange places, step, back.
Half turn.
Then, basic. Basic. Then change. Step, back. Basic. Basic. Change place. Step, back. Basic. Basic. Change place. Basic. Basic.
Adjustment.
Yan.
Nasanay ako ng right.
Ng kanan.
Oo.
Galing. Okay.
Left
So,
na.
ang change places pwede nyo ulitin. So, ang basic muna, dalawa usually, then change. Back repeat, change ulit. Okay. So, yun ang mga tuturo natin, mga basic lang. Ako sila na bahala din. That is something of the basic swing, and then the basic swing change partner. Okay? Let's do it. Ready? A partner na.
Apa na?
Okay, let's do it. To basic swing, go. Basic, then swing your arm sideways. Yan, para kakasapin sa talaga yung partner niya. Okay, pwede rin ito. Pwede rin ito.
Yung mawak sa...
Pwede rin
sa
ito.
akin. Ay, diba? Alternate ko dyan. Pwede
Front.
yung ganyan. Pwede dyan.
Pwedeng side, pwedeng front, and side, then change place. Step, back. Step, back.
Okay.
Variation na yan. So, dalawa na yan. Okay.
Ito nag-ako
Okay. Then, so dalawa na. Isa pa. Once more. Basic tayo. Dalawang basic. Go. Side.
Mga batang
Front. and side. Isang change places lang. Step, step, back. Then basic again. Para hindi nakakalito. Change again. Step, step, basic. Front, and front, change. Step, step, basic. Okay. Pwede naman kayo mag-basic doing the quarter turn. So, para lang ulit. Basic,
Quarter. Quarter turn.
quarter.
Okay, yun lang. Okay.
Okay.
Quarter turns. Okay.
Then basic. Kaya lalaki ang guide. Guide ang lalaki. Ako na, yun. Dalawang variation yun na meron ng choreography. So baka na si Bata mag-isa. Papakita nyo lang naman yung mga sama. Okay, another basic step. Tinatawag nating window. Single window. Okay, so single window, ang girl sa partner pupunta on the left side of the partner. Sa left side. Okay, so raise your left arm, boy. Kaya window, ayan ang window.
Papasok.
Okay, so papasok. And then, arms at the back, yung left arm ng girl sa back, right, left arm ng boy sa taas.
Ulit yan.
Okay, eto yun. Yan. Yan. Step, step, back. Kung ano lagi yung paa ng girl, yun din ha. Okay, so dapat, ito yung window. Kaya tinawag yung single window. Okay, then babalik. Anong paa ang ihakbang?
Right pa
Yung
rin.
kanan pa rin ng girls go. Ang boys naman, the
Left,
usual,
right, right.
left, back, left,
Left,
back.
right,
Let's do
right.
the basic. And two more, and three. And then the single window. Step, step, back, step, step, back, balik. And
Basic muna.
Okay.
pwede rin siyang
Hindi
Hindi naman nahihirapan eh, sa may ano eh.
balikan natin yung single window. Basic tayo ng dalawa. 1 and 2, single window. 1 and 2, balik. 1, basic. 1 and 2, window. 1 and 2, balik. Okay? Let's do it. Once more. Basic tayo. Dalawang basic. Dalawang change partner. Then dalawang single window. Ready?
Left
Do
and
it.
right. Left and right.
Hmm.
Na single.
Good.
One
Doon
side.
lang. Okay, ready? Basic, dalawa. 1, 2, open. 1. Change. 1
Change.
and change. 1. Basic again. 1. Single window.
Single window.
Side.
Window.
One more.
Window ulit.
Balik. Sorry sa yung direction.
Wala ng dalawang basic ulit.
Wait, ako.
Mm.
Kapag balik,
Change
Balik
ulit.
agad.
Balik.
Pwede naman yun.
Okay.
Pero pwedeng para mas ma-memorize ng bata.
Sure.
In between singles tapos variation.
Oo.
In between ng basic swing.
okay.
That's the single window. May double window naman na tinatawag. Okay. So, ang double window, same. Pero magpapalit na, mag-change places ng partner. 1 and
Okay.
This is a double. Then balik.
Pabalik. Mag-move ang lalaki.
Mamulong na ng lalaki. Kanina sa single, place lang ang boy. This time, both.
Balik.
Back, balik, step, step, repeat. Step, step, back. Step, step.
Lagi na sa babalik.
Basic. Basic tayo. Ready? Basic. And 1 and 2. Double window. Step, step, back. Step, isa pa. Step,
Ay,
step,
alam mo,
back.
nasali kami na mag si ano.
Lagi natin dalawang beses ulitin.
Okay.
Once more, basic, go. 1 and 2, dalawa to. Dalawang double window. Isa pa. Back to basic, dalawa. 1. Single window. Double window. Basic. Ganun lang ang pagtuturo.
Actually, yung babae hindi nagbabago.
Kailangan memorize na yung
Lalaki
mga
na nagbabago.
Oo. So,
Babae,
ang
hindi babae.
yung guide talaga si puso. Okay, so ilan na yun? 4 na yung basic na. Okay, now, let's have the right to right hand. Okay, so this time,
Okay, that.
so from right to right shoulder, may karugtong na istorya yan. Okay, isa lang yun. And then this is the verse of yen. Going to right. Step, back, tag, hold. This time, hold. Okay, leave yung left hand ng partner. Go inside the arc arm. And then finish in verse of yen.
Oh,
Ganyan ang Bars of Yen! Lagi ko nang binabanggit, pero hindi ko kaya
Yan ang verse of yen position. So, mag-swing kayo ngayon. Swing.
Google ko muna para alam ko yung eksaktong pronunciation.
Right? Yeah. Right na babae, left na lalaki. So you can do this quarter turn pa rin.
Pero ako tawag ko
Shoulder to shoulder.
Yung violation kami ginagawa sa yung cuddle.
Cuddle.
Oo. Yun naman yung violation na ginagawa ko siya.
Yung pala yun.
ang gusto niya kasi yung ganyan eh.
Oo, ganyan talaga. Gumaganyan eh.
Yan yan.
Gusto niya cuddle, gumaganyan.
Gusto niya kasi
Yan ang
nakakakit.
Alam mo.
Okay, now let's do it.
Gusto niya, ganun eh.
Right to bars of yen. Swing. Ready? Hand. Single. Right to right. Bars of yen.
Wait lang para
Okay. Leave mo yung left hand ng girl. Then go inside, turn your partner to finish facing left. Yan. Pwedeng front, pwedeng lead. Yan. Para mas maganda yung travel. Okay, then swing. Basic. 1 and 2 and 3. Oh, pwede mag-quarter turn. Face. And face left.
May dalawang lasing dito.
Wala lang. First aid. Oh. Yan.
Okay.
And then, balik lang. Pwede naka-cross arm and then arm hold position.
Pwede nga lang sa rin.
Iikot mo lang.
Right to right.
Tapos,
Pasok sa kaliwa.
Right, left.
right, left.
Pasok sa loob. Then,
Naka-open, hindi kami nakaganon.
yung mag-iwala yung kamay. Pero ang girls nasa right to.
Ganun pala. Persev.
Yan. Pwede mong ibaba.
Yan, sir.
Okay.
Balik natin.
Hindi, ibaba. Yan, okay.
Ayaw mo niwala eh.
And,
Aray ko!
paulit-ulit lang. And ang student pwede na sa
Ito yung daliri mo na yan, napaka-
using those variations.
Sensitive naman yun.
With the music tayo.
Okay.
And take my eyes off.
Parang may hirapan ka.
Medley yan eh, medley.
Ikaw yung malito. Parang yung malito.
Basic. 2,
Ilan?
3. Play. Basic. just hop on right inside the bamboo. Then hop on left. And then hop on right outside the bamboo. Okay? That's the basic. Okay, so inside the bamboo, then change, and then outside. In, up. That's the basic. In, up. 1, 2, 3.
Running.
In, out, hop, hop, step, hop, hop, step, hop, hop. That's just basic. Okay. Then the other one is the double jump. Double jump. So, 2 jumps inside the bamboo poles. 1, 2, then jump outside. Both with both feet.
Open.
Open.
Open,
Okay.
open.
So let's do the hop step muna. Go. In, out. In. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Then do the double jump. Jump, jump. Out. In, out. In, out. In, out.
Magkaroon ng brief po.
Kaya hawak mo ang brief. Okay, then the cross hop step. Okay, hop inside and then cross right foot over your left. Then step your left foot outside the bamboo. Then hop again sa right at the center and then
Labas.
back to yung left foot outside the bamboo. So, 2 hop step on your right. Hop, hop,
Okay.
hop, hop,
Oh.
hop, hop, cross, hop, hop, out, hop, hop, cross, hop, hop. And then,
Okay.
Sa left. Hindi na.
hindi na.
Hindi na. Dito
Right
lang
lang.
sa right.
Right, oo.
Right lang,
May
harap.
pag gagawin niyo naman sa left, harap naman kayo.
Okay.
Let's do it starting with your left.
Okay.
Let's do it. Half step single, go. In, out, left, right, left, apat. Double jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross jump. Out muna, jump. Hop, hop.
Hop, hop.
Bumibigay yung ankles ko.
Di ba? Okay. So, apat-apat lang naman yun.
Tapos
Hindi siya
muna.
may
Okay.
may tama.
Kumintang movement and movement, so circular movement from the wrist inwards. So inward siya.
Tagalog tayo, Tagalog.
Okay.
Magkasinensi ako sa...
Uy, Tagalog tayo.
Nagpo daw.
Paloob.
Awan na.
Right, left, right, left, right.
Kahit lalaki gagawin.
Yeah. Pwede yung sa bahay. Step.
Okay.
In, out. Out, in, out. Combination. Okay. Now, lateral movement. Dali na.
Para yan yung kamay sa ano, double.
Hindi. Sa double jump ito lang.
Talaga. Lalaki,
Pero,
babae.
combination, pwede nilang gawin. Lalaki babae ka lang. Lateral, so wala namang sinabi kung palms down, palms up, kasi lahat naman ng movement pag ganyan, puro lateral yun.
Di ba, sir, yung may ganong variation kasi?
Ay, ano na yun eh, theatrical na.
Okay, so ito lang.
Stage na yung dance, so medyo may acting na, ito na yung lateral nila. Pero the usual, ito lang.
Ito lang. Okay. Alright.
Ano tawag dito?
Forearm turn.
Forearm. Okay.
Ano yan?
Tatanong.
Okay, so may waltz din siya. Kasi ang waltz ginagamit lang naman during the intro. Yung entrance lang, kasama ang waltz. Kasi this is a 3-4 times signature. So waltz with that lang. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. Bago kayo mag-start ng hopping. Okay? Now, ito pinakamahirap na movement. Okay, the kuradang step.
Kuradang.
Yung step pattern niya is just like the swing balance pero dalawang step siya. Okay? So, ang step natin is step your right foot diagonally forward. Then left foot close to right. Then step right again. Then cross left foot over your right. Then step right. Then close left. Then step right. And then point left.
Ang hirap.
Okay, ulitin natin. Step, cross pa, cross, then step right backward, then close left to right, then step right, then point. Okay? Okay, that's the kuradang. Step, cross, step, close, step, point. Then repeat to the left. Step, cross, step, close, step, point. Repeat. Step, step, close, step, close. Yeah, point. Step, cross, step, close, step,
point. Okay.
cross, step, close, step, point. Step, that's the step pattern, ha? Okay. Pag ginawa natin, okay, for time, so yung movement dito is step, cross, step, close, step, point. Step, cross, step, close, step, point. Step, cross, step, close, step, step, cross. This is the kuradang. Step, cross. Okay, yung hand movements niya from first to second to fourth.
Yes!
Mali yun, hindi third position, fourth position. Fourth position. Okay, so pag step nyo ng right, first position, then second, pag cross, and then going to fourth, step, close step to fourth position. Then first, second, to fourth position. Step, cross, step, close, step, point. Step, cross, step, close, step, point. First, second, to fourth, close. Point. Second to the fourth point. First, second, the point. Close, step, cross, step, close, step, point, step. Nakuha? It's a kuradang step.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the music.
Ano music?
Yung first part pala na muna, may two close step pa pala. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Step, close step. Step, close step, cross, step, close step.
Ayun.
Step, close step, cross, in between ang two close step. Okay. Let's repeat. Ready? And cross, step, close step, point. Step, close step. Cross, step, close step. Kamay. Step, close step. Cross, step, close step. Point, step, close step. Cross, step, close step. Repeat. Point, step, close step. Cross, step, close step. Point, step, close step. Cross, step, close step. Hap, hap. Teka, wala pa intro yan. Intro pa lang. Pang show. 1, 2, 3. Double jump. Cross jump. Hop, 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 hop. Madam. Step, close, step, cross, step, close, step, point. Step, close, step, cross, step, close, step, point. Step, close, step, cross. Single. Ikot. Sige. Bilis na. Double jump. Lateral. Pahinga. Yan ang malalim. One, two, three, four, five.
Ay, grabe.
Ay, napagod kayo? Ba't napagod kayo? Ano ba yan?
Yun lang. Ito ang
Sa
basic.
susunod mo yun ano?